Welcome to today's video on material sciences. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of materials and their applications in various fields. From the clothes we wear to the buildings we live in, materials play a crucial role in our everyday lives. So, let's dive in and discover the wonders of material sciences. Materials are substances that are used to make objects. They can be natural, like wood or stone, or they can be artificially created through processes like manufacturing and synthesis. The study of materials is known as material sciences, which involves understanding the composition, properties, and performance of different materials. One of the most important properties of materials is their strength. Different materials have different levels of strength, which determines their ability to withstand external forces without breaking or deforming. For example, steel is known for its high strength, which makes it suitable for constructing buildings and bridges. On the other hand, materials like rubber or plastic have lower strength and are used for flexibility and elasticity. Another important property of materials is their conductivity. Conductivity refers to the ability of a material to conduct or transmit heat, electricity, or sound. Materials like copper and aluminum are highly conductive, which makes them ideal for electrical wiring. Insulating materials, on the other hand, have low conductivity and are used to prevent the flow of heat or electricity. Materials also have unique optical properties, which determine how they interact with light. Some materials are transparent, allowing light to pass through, while others are opaque and reflect or absorb light. Glass is a commonly used transparent material, while metals like aluminum are highly reflective. Optical properties play a crucial role in areas like optics, photography, and display technologies. One of the most exciting aspects of material sciences is the development of new and advanced materials. Scientists and engineers are constantly exploring new materials with unique properties and capabilities. Nanomaterials, for example, are materials with structures and properties at the nanoscale, which have revolutionized various industries, including electronics, medicine, and energy. In conclusion, material sciences are a fascinating field that delves into the composition, properties, and applications of different materials. By understanding and manipulating materials, we can develop new technologies, improve existing products, and find solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. So the next time you touch something, remember the science behind the material. Thank you for watching, and stay curious about the wonders of materials.